A body weighs 200 Newton on the surface of the earth. How much it will weigh half day down to the center of the earth? Halfway down to the center of the earth. Normally weight is given, that is 200 Newton. Halfway down is nothing but R by 2. So normally formula of acceleration due to gravity at certain depth, GD equal to G into 1 minus d by R. D is nothing but at certain depth, that is R by 2. If you substitute this value G into 1 minus R by 2 by R, so we'll get G by 2. Then required weight is nothing but W dash equal to mgd, that is nothing but certain depth, m into G by 2, that is mg by 2. Then we'll get mg how much? 200. So 200 by 2, that is nothing but 100 Newton. So our required answer is, so at a depth, certain depth, answer 100 Newton. So this is the answer. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brain. Thank you.